In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for lead magnet ideas, fast and easy. If you're looking to create content that captivates your audience, harnessing the power of Google Trends can be a game changer. We'll go step by step through the process to ensure you leave with actionable insights that can propel your content strategy. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Trends. Open your web browser and type in Google Trends into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in your search results. This will take you to the Google Trends homepage. Once there, you'll see a variety of options laid out. You'll want to click on Explore to dive into the tool's capabilities. Now that you're in the Explore section, it's time to type in your main topic or keyword. Think broadly to capture a range of insights. This could be anything related to your niche, like content marketing, personal finance, or fitness tips. Once you've entered your keyword, hit Enter. This step will provide you with a treasure trove of data related to your specified topic. Next, let's apply some filters to fine-tune these insights. Narrow your results to better suit your target audience by adjusting the location to your desired country or region. Consider the time range. For general insights, a period of the past 12 months. 12 months is useful, but for more current trends, focus on the past 30 days. Choose a category relevant to your industry and decide on the type of search: web, YouTube, or shopping, depending on where your audience is most active. With your filters set, turn your attention to the interest over time graph. Here, observe whether interest in your topic is rising or stable. A rising trend is ideal for a timely lead magnet, whereas a stable interest might suggest an evergreen topic that consistently engages audiences. Below the graph, you'll find the Related Queries section. Pay close attention to rising queries. They hold the potential for fresh, off-the-press content ideas that may not be saturated in your niche. For instance, if your topic is content marketing, you might find queries like Content Marketing Strategy Checklist or Social Media Content Ideas 2025. Don't stop there. Take a look at the Related Topics section. This is a goldmine for uncovering broader or related themes such as email marketing and SEO best practices, helping you expand your lead magnet library further or address specific audience pain points. Finally, to keep all these great ideas organized, click the download icon to save a CSV file. Create a comprehensive spreadsheet, noting down topics, related rising queries, and interest trends. This will allow you to prioritize topics that show high interest but have low coverage to maximize the impact of your lead magnet. And there you have it. Using Google Trends effectively for generating lead magnet ideas is now within your grasp. Happy content creating!